Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about bringing you honest, in-depth reviews to help you make the best beauty choices. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer, an anti-aging powerhouse that's been creating quite the buzz. If you're after a product that promises to fight fine lines, wrinkles, and even dull skin, keep watching to find out if it lives up to the hype. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair is marketed as a retinol-infused anti-aging moisturizer that aims to improve skin texture, smooth fine lines, and hydrate with the help of hyaluronic acid. It's designed for daily use and claims to deliver visible results in as little as 1 week. A bold promise, right? But let's see if the science backs it up. Key ingredients and features. This formula boasts 2 heavy-hitting ingredients, retinol and hyaluronic acid. Retinol is known for its ability to stimulate collagen production, smooth out wrinkles, and speed up cell turnover. Meanwhile, hyaluronic acid works its magic by providing intense hydration, helping to plump and smooth the skin. The product also claims to improve skin texture, even tone, and reduce the appearance of deep wrinkles, particularly around the under eye area, cheeks, and crow's feet. What stands out to me here is the accelerated retinol complex, designed to minimize irritation while maximizing effectiveness. It's a clever move for those with sensitive skin who might have had previous issues with harsher retinol formulas. It's also free from parabens, mineral oils, and dyes, big plus for those seeking a cleaner option. My testing experience. Now let's get to the real-world testing. I've been using this moisturizer for a little over 2 weeks. First off, the texture is lightweight and absorbs into the skin without feeling greasy, which is something I personally love. I applied it at night as part of my evening routine. It's a little thicker than some of my usual moisturizers, but it didn't leave any residue, which is a plus. I really appreciate how it felt on my skin. Soft, smooth, and definitely more hydrated. The morning after application, my face felt refreshed, not tight like some retinol creams can leave you feeling. It was a pleasant experience all around. As for the Hydro Boost facial cleanser that comes with this set, I used it before applying the moisturizer. It's a great gentle cleanser that really preps the skin. I found that it paired nicely with the moisturizer. My skin felt clean without any tightness, and the combination seemed to enhance the effects of both products. Pros: visible results. After about a week, I noticed a difference in the smoothness of my skin, and those fine lines around my eyes were starting to soften. Hydrating. The hyaluronic acid really delivers. My skin feels plump and nourished without feeling greasy. Gentle retinol. The accelerated retinol complex worked well for my skin, even though I have sensitive skin. I didn't experience irritation, which is often the case with retinol. Clean ingredients. No parabens, dyes, or mineral oils, which is great for those who are careful about the ingredients in their skincare. Cons. Price. At around $25 to $30 for a 1.7 ounce jar, it's on the pricier side, especially for a drugstore product. Fragrance-free. While this is a benefit for sensitive skin, I personally enjoy a light fragrance in my skincare. But if you're sensitive to fragrances, this is definitely a plus. Value for money. Considering that Neutrogena positions this as a high-performance anti-aging cream, the price seems fairly reasonable compared to luxury brands. You're getting a quality product with proven ingredients, and I believe the Hydro Boost facial cleanser adds good value to the set. If you're looking for an affordable option that works, this is a solid choice, but keep in mind there are similar alternatives in the market, especially if you're on a tighter budget. Comparisons. If you're considering alternatives, you might want to look into CeraVe's Resurfacing Retinol Serum, which also has retinol and is gentle on the skin, though it's more focused on acne and texture. Another option could be Olay's Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer, which also promises smoothness and radiance. In terms of price, the Olay option is a little more affordable, but the Neutrogena formula has the added benefit of hyaluronic acid for that extra hydration. Final thoughts. In terms of build quality, Neutrogena has delivered. The jar is sturdy and functional, and I appreciate the inclusion of a trial-size cleanser for added value. The longevity of the product also seems good. It's been 2 weeks, and the product hasn't irritated my skin, and I'm still seeing visible results. Now for my final verdict. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer is a great choice for those looking to target signs of aging. It delivers on its promises of smoother, plumper skin with visible results in a relatively short time frame. The hyaluronic acid adds much-needed hydration, and the gentler retinol formula makes it suitable for sensitive skin. If you're in the market for a well-priced, effective anti-aging product, this one definitely fits the bill. Before I wrap up, if this review has been helpful to you, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that more beauty lovers can discover our honest reviews. Your support helps us continue making valuable content like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product before, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree with my experience? Or have you had a different result? Share your story with us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.